questions I have back. My reactions to things tend to be a little out of proportion. My marriage is ending. I had an affair with this doctor guy, and there was only one way to get through it. A guy calls you.
This season's most irresistible drama. That's how someone who's not profoundly damaged takes a compliment. New Mercy, new SVU, starting tonight, 8/7 Central on NBC.
Sarah Weinshank is from San Luis Obispo in California. She's a middle school Latin teacher. I didn't know we still have Latin teachers.
Oh yes, I teach at a classical academy, and all the lessons are required to take Latin, and we have it at the local high school as well. Yes.
Okay. Joe Grant from Lewisburg, Pennsylvania. He has, ladies and gentlemen, the most unusual ability to turn any contestant has ever shown up on Jeopardy. Tell us what you have.
I had my